Hello. Okay, so now we're talking about functions and what is a function, what isn't a function. So you look at this table here and this table here on the right. The left is a function, the right is not a function. So what is the difference? Well, over here the x values are 2, 5, 3, 0, and 9. And over here, you have the 4 repeating itself 3 times. Okay, so on the right-hand side, the x repeats. All right, so that means it's not a function. All right, because if 4 goes in, you might get a 3, you might get a 0, you might get a -1. That's not a function. A function should predict. You should know exactly what is going to come out. Now, if I look at this, it's not a table. Remember, these are called ordered pairs, where you have an x and a y value. Okay? So you're still looking at the x values, right? Again, these are ordered pairs, so you have an x and a y value, x and a y coordinate. So I'm looking at the x values, all right? And I notice over here where it's not a function, there's a 3 and there's a 3. So that means it's not a function. Okay, because the x coordinate repeats. All right, and if I look down here, I've got a graph. All right, so it's still ordered pairs, right? Because each point has an x coordinate and a y coordinate, right? This x coordinate is -4. This x coordinate is -1. This x coordinate is 1, and this x coordinate is 2. So that is a function, okay? Because the x doesn't repeat. This has an x coordinate, but over here, right, I have this x coordinate is 1 and this y coordinate is -2. This x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate is +2. All right, so this x value, of 1 has 2 y values that goes with it, okay? All right, so we'll say this does not pass the vertical line test. I can draw a vertical line from this point to this point, right? And that contains both of the points. And that is a clue that the x's repeat. All right, and so it is not a function. All right, the vertical line test. So here, again, here's a function. All right, I can draw vertical lines and it only crosses one time. But here, if I draw a vertical line, it crosses 2 times. Okay, it crosses here and here. All right, it crosses here and here. All right, so does not pass the vertical line test. All right, so if you want to tell if a graph is a function, you use the vertical line test. All right, if a vertical line passes through more than one point of the graph, then it is not a function. All right, so if I'm using the vertical line test, vertical line, So I would say for this guy, I would say yes. That is a function. Okay, this one, vertical line. Yes, that is a function. Vertical line here, oh no. Okay, it crosses 1, 2 times. So no, not a function. Not a function. Okay, a parabola crosses 1 time. Yes. Okay, a sideways parabola. No, not a function. Okay, any squiggly spiral, not a function. All right, and now you can go ahead and finish this worksheet here. So it says, is it a function? Well, I'm going to do my vertical line test, and I would say yes. And then, just as a review, so what's the domain? So it goes to the left forever and to the right forever, right? Because you've got these arrows here. So that would be all real numbers. It goes down forever and up forever. So all real numbers for the range, right? Domain is left to right. Range is bottom to top. Okay, if I have a parabola, right? Yes, it is a function. It goes forever. Now it looks pretty steep. Okay, it looks like it's going straight up and down, but it's not. It actually goes left forever and it goes right forever. Very slowly, but it does go left and right forever, so that would be all real numbers. And then my range, well, it is bottom to top, right? So the bottom number is right there. That would be 1, 2. So range is going to be Y, and it's a smiley face, right? So greater than or equal to, right? Because it goes up forever. So greater than equal to this 1, 2. Greater than equal to -2. All right, and then I will let you finish the last 3 on your own. Okay, that's a good check to see if you're understanding these. So stop the video and then you can check your answers with your neighbors. I hope you're having a great day. Bye.